Welcome to Preform Line Products. This video covers the installation of MX1-T. Start by wrapping the wire around the pole. Next, insert the wire into the hole in the direction of the arrow. Finally, place the other side of the wire into the slot. Be sure to leave at least 4 inches for tensioning purposes. If tensioning is desired, grab your MX1-AC2, open the handles so the head of the tool can accept the wire, insert the wire to be tensioned, then close the handles. Repeat if necessary. This completes the installation of the Maxtensor MX1-T. For more information, please visit preform.com. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any company construction or safety standards or the use of required protective equipment.